Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M04 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to a printer. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down to access Connections. Then scroll all the way down and tap on More Connection Settings. Finally, tap on Printing, select Default Print Service and wait. Your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it right away. In order to use different print service, you need to disable this one by tapping on this switcher. Then click on the back button and select Download plugin. Finally, install your new service and when it's ready, tap on the back button twice. Then click on your new service and wait again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!